Guys, he was sleeping, but my hair has to be, oh, let me turn this off. He was sleeping, but my hair has to be washed tonight, so I'm sorry. And he promised that he would do it, so you're okay doing it still. Look at how dirty it is just by rinsing it out. That's crazy.
Close your eyes, baby. Good? Did you take a break?
No, I'm fine. You see the difference?
A lot smaller,
Yeah. So you know, like how I rub your hair and like scratches it. You're gonna do the same thing with my scalp. Soap is on her face. Why didn't you put your rag on your face?
Yeah, just like yours.
Is there a rag in here?
Which rag is yours?
Is there a dry rag in the cabinet? But like I was at the river just now. Meet me at the river. Someday. Meet me at the river. Michelle, how much your mellow is?
I don't know.
Can you look at the water?
Oh!
Yeah, you look at your face, you got a lot of smoke coming.
Oh.
Just the good stuff.
It's my sister's stuff.
Expensive.
Too much?
No, you're fine.
It has like castor, rosemary, whatever. But yeah, it's just
Rosemary,
natural stuff.
peppermint.
Oh, castor oil is not in it? I think it is. I don't know. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Shea butter. All natural stuff.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Your back not hurt you?
Just the part that got creamed.
Yeah. You see it? So I'm going to section it and you're going to comb it out. Let's see how, because you have to learn. I'm kidding. I'm going to cut.
I mean, you do you're gonna cut Jed in here?
Yeah.
He doesn't want it cut.
He doesn't want it cut, so does he want it combed?
No, but he likes when it's combed.
So this part that I have sectioned out, let me show you the first. You're going to just do it from the root and just try to like comb it out like this. Up close camera guy.
Guy's crazy.
Wow. We ain't getting done till tomorrow if I do this.
You're doing okay. Just I'm not scared. It's a little thick. You just have to brush it out with a little force. This is like 10 pounds at the gym. So no, 20 for you. Do a pull.
Yeah.
We got this.
Yeah, I mean you were doing good. It was done. Yeah, that's all you needed to do. That's it. My sister is going to like braid my hair a little, so she'll get the rest.
LOL,
With
that's
blow
a
dryer.
mess.
With blow dryer. Here. Do it.
No, you can't wash your Jen in here Monday.
You said me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
So hold the
Yeah,
root,
lots of
hold the
yellow.
root, and just comb, brush out the ends. Brush out the end up here. Are you scared?
A little bit.
I think you are. Let me look. I'm not scared of my hair. So you just like go in and you just like hold down here and brush out like this. See? So we have come to the end of the hair washing section. Would you do it again, Tyler?
Bad.
So you're now my hair washer. I like the massages, so I'll ask you again.
Every once in a while, yeah.
Aww. What do you think about my hair?
I don't know. It's a lot more work to clean. I like the curls. It's longer than you think it is. Look at like when we were combing it, came down to like here, and then it's scrunched up.
Jaden.
Little mama thing. I'll be on soon.
So just in case the water was loud and you didn't hear that, hair wash complete.
Guys, this girl just wants a maid.
That's alright. Thank you. Thank you. What do you think about my hair?
I like it. It looks nice.
It looks nice. You did a good job.
You probably feel fresh.
I did. You gave me some nice massage. It felt good. So I can come to you now. You're my hairdresser.
When my hours are available.
So I have to book.
Yes.
Book for the look. Okay,
Yes,
guys,
in
book
advance.
book Tyler for the look.